Here's how you can recover your blog, your website, and still get traffic after the Google's website killing update. And if you just give me 60 seconds, I'm going to prove how all this is possible. So right here on a new website I built around December 2023, you can see that I'm getting more traffic in the last 28 days. And guess what? This new website I built has withstood the numerous Google updates over the past few months, and we keep on getting more traffic every day. But if you are not convinced yet, this is my old website that got hit by the Google update and was the index completely was removed from the Google search results. As you can see, over the past few months, the website has been slowly but surely getting little traffic, and that is because Google has started re-indexing my articles and they are now showing up on Google search little by little, and that is actually good news. Hallelujah. So for those that don't understand what I'm talking about, I recently published a video how Google ruined my life. Basically, this blog was making about $7,000 every month, and Google released a series of website killing updates that totally destroyed my website and they rendered me useless. So I went from $7,000 to $0. So guys, in case you don't know me, my name is Paul and I've been doing SEO for 7 years. I'm invested in SEO courses, SEO tools. I spent thousands of dollars building a blogging business. The goal was to hit $10,000 per month milestone. And when I was about $7,000, Google destroyed my website with the update. And now I'm back to zero, but I'm not giving up. I'm still going to keep finding ways not to stay broke. You understand? And also be financially free while we are at it. So how is this possible? Google is now giving priority to e-commerce stores, e-commerce platforms, because these websites are actually real businesses that get traffic diversity, brand mentions, and they are actually providing value to the customers. And it is a no-brainer. You need to build an e-commerce store. But how are you going to do that when you have an existing content site with thousands of pages that was hit by the Google update and now you are dead in the water? How can you get on this e-commerce trend? And more importantly, how can you recover your website after the Google update? So I'm going to tell you guys 3 things you need to recover your website after the Google update. And you don't need expensive hosting, you don't need premium writers, you don't need expensive SEO tools, you don't need exact match domain or age domains or all those SEO stuff. All you need to do is you need to position your brand as a business, you need to have traffic diversity, and you need to prove to Google that yes, you are a real business that actually provides value to your customers. So how are we going to do all that? So here's the 3-step process. So number one, you need to convert your existing content site or content blog to an e-commerce site, to an e-commerce store. This is very easy to do. If you're on WordPress, especially, it's easy. All you need to do is install a WooCommerce plugin. But before installing your WooCommerce plugin, you need to understand, you need to think about what you are willing to sell or what you're going to sell on your website, what service you're going to provide, what value you're going to provide to your website. This step literally takes less than 5 minutes to complete. Go to your WordPress website, search for WooCommerce plugin, install the plugin, and you've completed step one. The second step is we need to have a fully decked out contact us page. This is very important because it is in the Google's rater quality guidelines. So why do we need a fully decked out contact us page? No e-commerce store can rank on Google without having a place customers can contact you, live support, and also a return policy. And so what do you need to build a fully decked out contact us page? You need your company name, you need the address, the phone number, you need the contact form that they can fill and contact you. You need links to your social media profiles. You need the contact details for multiple departments. You need contact details for multiple locations. That's if your blogging business has multiple locations. If it does not have it, you can totally ignore it. You also need to embed map to your store location. Also, directions to your location is also very helpful. Also, you need to include instructions of when and how they should contact you, so that your opening hours, and if the contact us page is more important or you wanted to contact you via social media, you need to include the instructions. Also, last but not least, you need to include FAQ pages to answer common problems regarding your e-commerce store. Having all this information in your contact us page is going to boost your Google EEAT scores and also show Google that yes, you are a real business, because Google knows that customers can reach out to you in case there's a problem with your product and your service, just like any other real business. Okay, we're down to the final point, which is to build traffic diversity. Think about it. Real businesses don't just have one way of bringing in customers, they have multiple ways of bringing in customers. Remember, with your content site, you only got customers from Google search, so you need to build traffic diversity. It shows Google you're a real business. You are getting visitors from multiple platforms outside of Google, which is very important. You're getting visitors from LinkedIn, from TikTok, from Facebook, from Instagram, from your email list, from Pinterest, from all these different sources, which is a very, very strong signal that shows that, okay, yes, this is a real business, you're getting brand mention. And it's also very important and beneficial to you because in case Google moves mad again in the future, you have other traffic sources that you can consistently be getting more traffic from. You don't have to solely depend on Google, which is very, very nice. It's something you need to start building now. And this is very easy to do. All you have to do is, if you have a following on social media, just post your website links, post your links on WhatsApp, have your friends, your family members visit your websites from different platforms, and that builds your traffic diversity. And that is the easy way to go. If you really want to go in depth, you can start posting on all the social media platforms. You can post on LinkedIn, share your expertise on what you are trying to sell or your services. Because remember, you turned your content site to an e-commerce site. So now you are a real business. So now you're servicing real customers and you're actually providing value for them. So if you are doing all this over months, you're going to be seeing positive changes, positive spikes in traffic. And with the next Google update, your website is going to be reviewed and you're going to start getting more traffic and things are going to be much better than they used to be. So do all this and you stand a very good chance of recovering your website. It is a slow process, but at least it's something worth doing because it is better than doing nothing, folding your hands than doing nothing. So if you did all this and your website is still struggling and not recovering, well, I think it's just time for you to start a new website. So I created a new video on the best smart way to start a new website or to get into blogging in 2024. I'm going to be creating that video very soon. So make sure you like, subscribe so you don't miss that video when it comes out. Thank you very much for watching. I'm going to see you in that video. Peace.